Hello folks, today we're going to be showing you the Viking fold down trailer. It comes with propane and it comes with batteries when you buy it from us. We don't charge for that stuff. So follow me and I'll show you a little bit about this trailer on the outside. You do have storage right here. I'll show you that on the inside. Outside speakers, okay? You do have a barbecue grill hookup right here. And the LP hookup is right under here, okay? Then if you come around here, you have your spare tire. Now when this trailer is folded down, you can put bike racks on top for kayaks and stuff like that. That's the benefit to these trailers, that you can put bike racks on the top of this and it folds down. So if you come over here, here's one of the storage bins I was talking about, okay? Pretty deep. And you also get an outside shower on this one, and all your hookups is right here. So one of the things about this trailer is this one has the high walls in it. So a lot of the other ones, they're about this low, but on this one, just to be a basic fold down, it has the higher walls in it. This is a 2017, so it's not brand new. These trailers are very easy to let down. All you do is you pop this one and you pop this one, and this trailer folds down. Oops, got caught right there. And it comes down like this. You do the same for this wall, and then you go out and you pull it down and it comes down on a leveler. So it's pretty nice. Real basic, easy to operate, very smooth trailer. You have your bed right here, okay? And under this bed, you have your water, okay? And your heat is right there. And then you have your dinette. So it's a pretty basic trailer, but it has everything that a functional big trailer have. Water. Only thing it doesn't have is a restroom in it. Other than that, you could do everything with this trailer that you can with the bigger trailer. Comes with a thermostat. You have a Bluetooth radio right here. So if you guys have any questions about this trailer, this is a great buy. If someone has a small truck, they don't want to tow a big trailer, or they have a small space to store a trailer in, this trailer, since it folds down, won't be an eyesore in the neighborhood, and you can hide it anywhere on your property. So if you have questions about this trailer, feel free to give Anthony.Fuller a call, 541-653-2818.